Well, to win once was my childhood dream, to be world champion, so anything extra is just an added bonus. I'm, like I say, pretty lucky and privileged to be in the position I am, to just be able to ride a motorbike and have fun. It's been the same kind of for the last 3 years now. I've got a pretty good setup. I'm pretty comfortable with my bike and how things are working and stuff, so yeah, nothing's changed. Nervousness, excitement, kind of all of the usual, what you'd expect really going into a race. Obviously, it's a pretty tight track with 14 guys. It's 2 rows, so you have bikes behind you, bikes either side of you. It's a cool feeling. It gets the heart rate going, that's for sure. Yeah, obviously to win 2020, 2022, 2023, it was a dream come true to win the first one. So to now continue and wrap 3 in a row for SuperEnduro, it's pretty amazing. The dream continues. Yeah, obviously 120 years Husqvarna is such a strong brand in the motorcycle world, and to be part of that 120-year history is pretty special.